Yes, children, we discussed in the last sessions about the king's warfare. Okay, if that is a tripartite struggle, also we discussed, that is Prithihara, Gujara, Rashtrakuta, and Pala kings fighting among themselves to capture the area of Ganga. Okay, Ganga Valley. And we saw another one information also. If the kings started to attack anyone's place, means first their target is to destroying the temples. Why means because already the kings and others keep their valuable and precious things in the temples, and also the person who attacked that area shows his angry on that monuments, to the monuments. Okay. Yes, for that good example we saw about the Ghazni, Muhammad Ghazni. Muhammad is name and Ghazni is capital name in Afghanistan. He every year attacked the invaded the India, and he looted a lot of wealth from our country. And also that time he destroyed a lot of Hindu temples. Example, Somnath temple in Gujarat. Okay, children. Yes, from the Al-Biruni, when his invasion, he shows interest among the of the scholars that we know these informations from Kitab ul, a book in Arabic written by Al-Biruni, a famous writer. This was a great source for historian to know about the Muhammad Ghazni. And for this, he got the help from the Sanskrit scholars. Okay, till that we discussed in the past session. Now we will continue. Yes, in this time, that is the warfare to capture the other places, we're going to see about the Chauhans. Okay, or Chahamanas. Okay, other kings who engaged in warfare included the Chahamanas, later known as the Chauhan. Till this, Chauhans are a great people lived in North India, lives in North India. We can see them. They ruled over the region around Delhi and Ajmer. Okay, these places under their control. Whose control? Chauhans or Chahmanas. The Chahmanas are only called later Chauhans in simple way. They call themselves Chauhans. Who was the great king in the Chauhans? Yes, about the Chauhans. They attempted to expand their control to the west and the east. They were opposed by the Chalukyas of Gujarat and the Gahadavalas of western Uttar Pradesh. Chalukyas and Gahadavalas also a dynasty like Chauhans. Okay. So what the Chauhans are doing? They are doing a lot of war. They are war with the Chalukyas and Gahadavalas to for the reason to extend their kingdoms to the west and the east. Okay. The best known Chahmana ruler was Prithviraja III. Okay. He was the best ruler in the Chauhan dynasty. Okay, who defeated an Afghan ruler named Sultan Muhammad Ghori in 11th century, that is 1191, but lost him very next year in 1192. We saw that Muhammad Ghazni every year 16 to 17 times he invaded our country every year. Like that here, Muhammad Ghori also the same kind of king. He invaded, he attacked the India every year 16 to 17 times. But that time Prithviraja III, that is a famous, a powerful king in the Chauhan dynasty, against to the Muhammad Ghori in the 1191. But in the next year itself, that Muhammad Ghori defeated the king. Okay, the Prithviraja III. Okay, this details are given in your book about the Chauhans. Okay, we saw about the Muhammad Ghazni and Prithikara, Rashtrakuta and Pala kings already we know, and Chauhans also. Okay, Chahmanas were later called as Chauhans. Okay, dears. Here, other kings who engaged in warfare included the Chahmanas. Later, they were called as Chauhans. Okay, who ruled over the regions Delhi to Ajmer. Thus, details I given you here. Delhi to Ajmer. Okay. Yes. Now we will come to the south. Okay. Here in your book, they given the title for you. A closer look, the Cholas. Okay, that title they were given. We enter to our own dynasty. Okay, why I am saying means our Perambalur district also in those days come a part of the place come under the Chola dynasty. Okay, a powerful dynasty in India. We can say in India itself. Okay, these people were the first uh, people who have the naval fleet. Okay, in India, like this, lot of real things we can say. Okay, we can go first to the Chola dynasty. Here I am giving the Chola dynasty how it was started. The founder of the Chola dynasty, Vijayalaya Chola. Okay, see this Chola dynasty, the historians divided into two. That is old Chola and that is recent. Okay, the new Chola dynasty. This is new one. The old is maybe you probably heard the story about the Manunidhi Cholan, Karigala Cholan. These persons they were in the old Chola dynasties. But after some invasion of some other kings, this Chola dynasty, that was old Chola dynasty, declined. Okay, their power was declined. After that, this Vijayalaya Chola again started his empire in the Tanjavur. That is now we called Tanjavur, and another one name is Tanjore. Okay, here Vijayalaya Chola is succeeded Aditya I, then Parandaka I. This Parandaka I after Arinjaya Chola, that Arinjaya Chola after Gandharaditya Chola. Then Gandharaditya Chola came to the power Uttama Chola. That Arinjaya Chola after Sundara Chola, his famous known was Parandaka II. That Sundara Cholas after Aditya Chola II. Okay, then Aditya Chola and Uttama Chola after only the famous well-known person Rajaraja I came to the throne. Then his son Rajendra I. Okay, then Rajendra I after again Rajaraja II. Again Rajaraja II after Rajendra II. Okay, so this is the great about our Chola dynasty. Okay, chalo. Yes, we will go to the how this new Chola dynasty founded by the Vijayalaya Chola. Yes, the Cholas, Vijayalaya Chola, who belonged to the ancient chiefly family of the Cholas from Orayur, where now it is in Trichy. Okay, captured the delta from the Muttarayar in the middle of the 19th century. Sorry, 9th century, not 19th, 9th century. We know about the Muttarayar because they were the powerful community people till now. Okay, they were the community. There is a community is still we have in our society. Okay, that Vijayalaya Chola, how he came from the Pallavas. He went to the historian saying, and historical stories also saying about the Cholas. They went to the Pallava island, okay, Mani Pallava island. Then they came to the as well as the Samanta to the Pallava kings, okay. Cholas from Varayur captured the delta from the Muttarayar in the middle of the 9th century. He built the town of Tanjavur and a temple for goddess Nishumba Sudini at Tanjavur. This temple were built by the Vijayalaya Chola. The successors of Vijayalaya conquered neighboring regions and the kingdom grew in size and power. Okay, after the Vijayalaya Chola, his successor extended his kingdom. Okay, Rajaraja I, another powerful Chola ruler, extended control over other areas. Okay, because a lot of title also Rajaraja Chola got, Gadaram Gondan, like that Gandalur Chalai, a lot of titles he got because of his victories. That says his victories. Okay. Yes. Then his son Rajendra I conquered Sri Lanka and countries of Southeast Asia. Okay. Elamum Kondan, Elam Konda Kopara Kesari, like that lot of titles they won. And here we see near our Perambalur district, Jayam Gondam, that is Gangai Konda Cholapuram was his capital. Rajaraja Chola's capital was Tanjore in those days, and Rajendra Chola's capital was Gangaikonda Cholapuram. It is very near to the Perambalur. Okay, so he got a lot of victories. This Rajaraja I and Rajendra II, a special things they got it. What means? How many wars? So many wars they did in their lifetime. There is no one fail in their lifetime. In whatever, wherever they are going, they got only the victories. Okay, victory only. So they are saying the great rulers in the Chola dynasty. These two people, for that there was the great reason, because the foundation was very strong did by the Vijayalaya Chola. Okay, Chalam. Yes, now we will see about the revising. Okay. Yes, you say Prithvi Raja III was a well-known Dash ruler, Chauhan ruler. The Chauhan was already called as Chahmanas. Okay. Muhammad Gori was defeated by the same Prithvi Raja III or third in 1191. Dash was written by Al-Biruni, was a Kitab ul. Okay. Dash were later known as Chauhans, that is Chahmanas. The town of Dash and the temple for goddess was built by Vijayalaya. The town of Tanjore and temple for goddess Nishimba Shudani, okay, was built by the Vijayalaya. Yes, children, in this lesson, in this part, we saw the warfare of the that is medieval kings. They attacked the temples. Their targets were the temples first. Example, Muhammad Ghazini, he came from the Afghanistan, attacked the lot of temples in our country, subcontinent. Example, that Somnath temple in Gujarat. And Al-Biruni, an interested scholar of Muhammad, wrote Gidabul Hind in Arabic language. For that he got the help from the Sanskrit scholars. Then we saw about the Chahamanas. Later they were called as Chauhans. Okay, they are ruling areas Delhi and Ajmer. Then Chauhans, Gahadavelas and Chalukyas were their against party in those days. That Prithvi Raja III was the famous king in the Chauhans. He defeated the Sultan Muhammad Gori. Then Chola dynasty. In that Vijayalaya Chola founded the Chola dynasty in Tanjavur. Their capital is Orayur. Then we saw about the Rajaraja I was a famous ruler in the Chola dynasty, and Rajendra Chola. We saw these both people also. Then Triparthi struggle also we saw about with the Rashtrakutas, Pala and Prithihara Pujara king. Yes, children, go through your textbook, read your textbook, try to answer the questions. And if you have any doubts, you just ask me through WhatsApp. Yes, it is very important to read the textbook. Okay, children.